Hello guys, how are you? Today we got a Mercedes S550 2017 model and we had to replace the front drive shaft transfer case inner seal. As you can see, we have to open the complete system from here. Okay, then only we'll be able to install the seal. So we have to remove all the covers. Now as you can see this is the where the drive shaft, okay, fits in. So you have to completely remove this, and also see this is the cover which we removed from the car, from the transfer case, and this is the whole transfer case system, the automatic drive shaft system. That's